I want to speak directly to you. The woman juggling countless roles, holding everything together, often at the expense of your own well-being. I see your effort, your resilience, and the exhaustion that never seems to fade. Maybe you're reading this in your only quiet moment, feeling depleted and frustrated by a body that just won't cooperate. The fatigue, brain fog, cravings, and restless nights aren't minor annoyances. They're your body's way of asking for help. You've tried so many things only to feel let down when nothing sticks. Let go of guilt. Your struggles aren't failures, they're the result of a world that demands too much and gives too little back. You're not broken, just depleted. The good news, you can change this. You can reclaim your energy and vibrancy. It doesn't require a radical overhaul, just a small, intentional act of self-care. Give yourself 15 minutes each morning. Let's explore how. The health world is overwhelming. One day it's no carbs, the next it's superfoods for longevity. You're bombarded by perfect images and conflicting advice, leaving you paralyzed and unsure where to start. This is the overwhelm epidemic. So much advice. You end up doing nothing, always waiting for the right time. Meanwhile, fatigue deepens, mood swings worsen, and you feel disconnected from your own body. Low energy, poor sleep, cravings, and mood swings aren't separate issues. They're symptoms of a system out of balance. Like a car with misaligned wheels, everything feels harder when your foundation is off. But you don't need to fix everything at once. The solution isn't more stress or complicated plans. It's about finding the smallest action with the biggest impact. One simple adjustment can start to bring everything back into alignment. You can feel better, and it starts tomorrow. Let's make it simple. Have you ever tried to overhaul your life overnight? New diet, exercise, meditation, early bedtime, only to crash and burn within days? This is the all-or-nothing trap set. Impossible standards, slip once, and feel like a failure. We swing from perfection to giving up, eroding our confidence. The problem isn't you, it's the approach. Humans aren't wired for radical overnight change. Willpower is limited and quickly depleted. Instead of climbing the whole mountain, focus on one small, manageable step. Create a routine so simple you can do it even on your busiest days. This is the reset ritual. Not about perfection, but about consistency. A small positive habit anchors your day and builds momentum. The barrier to entry is low, so you keep going. Forget all or nothing. Choose small and steady. That's how real change sticks. Imagine starting your day with calm, clarity, and energy in just 15 minutes. The reset ritual is a 3-step sequence that works with your body's natural biology. It resets your internal clocks, balances hormones, and stabilizes energy from the moment you wake up. This isn't another complicated routine. It's about simplifying your morning to the 3 most impactful actions. These steps target the root causes of fatigue, mood swings, and cravings. By doing this short routine, you signal to your body and brain that you're ready to thrive. Here's how it works. First, rehydrate with mineral-rich water. Second, get 5 minutes of natural morning sunlight. Third, eat a savory, protein-rich breakfast. 3 steps, 15 minutes, a complete reset. No fancy equipment or expensive supplements, just basics that work. Let's break down each step. Step 1. Before anything else, drink a large glass of water with a pinch of unrefined salt. This morning mineral elixir rehydrates you after sleep and replenishes essential minerals. The salt isn't for taste. It adds electrolytes like sodium and potassium, crucial for cellular hydration. Water with minerals is absorbed better, supporting your adrenal glands, your body's stress managers. If you wake up groggy, your adrenals need this support. This simple act naturally boosts healthy cortisol, your wake-up hormone, for clean, stable energy. It's a gentle way to start your day replenished, not depleted. You'll feel less anxious and more prepared for what's ahead. This 5-minute step sets off a chain reaction of positive effects. 1 glass of mineral water, your first domino. Step 2. Get 5 minutes of direct, natural morning sunlight. Step outside or open a window and let the light hit your face and eyes. No sunglasses. This simple practice regulates your energy, mood, and sleep by setting your circadian rhythm. Morning light tells your brain, the day has begun, and triggers healthy cortisol release. It also starts the timer for melatonin, so you'll feel sleepy at night. Many sleep issues start with not enough morning light. Even on cloudy days, outdoor light is far more effective than indoor lighting. 5 minutes is all it takes to anchor your day and improve sleep. It's free, simple, and powerful. Let your body know it's time to be awake and vibrant. Step 3. Eat a savory, protein-rich breakfast. Forget sugary cereals and pastries. They spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing. Protein digests slowly, giving you steady energy and fewer cravings. Eggs, leftover chicken, Greek yogurt, or tofu scramble are great choices. Stable blood sugar means stable mood, sharp focus, and consistent energy. Protein also fuels your brain's motivation and focus. This doesn't have to be complicated. Scramble eggs in minutes or prep ahead. Shift your mindset. Breakfast doesn't have to be sweet. This one change controls hunger, energy, and mood all day. It locks in the benefits of hydration and light. The final piece of your morning reset. Meet Sarah, a busy mum of 2, overwhelmed and exhausted. Her mornings were chaos snooze button, coffee and croissant in the car, and a mid-morning energy crash. She felt like she was failing at work and home, stuck in the all-or-nothing trap. Strict diets and gym plans never lasted. I asked her to try the 15-minute reset ritual for 1 week. She was skeptical, but the simplicity made it doable. Day 1, salt water, 5 minutes of light on the porch, quick scrambled eggs. That small act of self-care felt revolutionary. Within days, she woke up easier, felt more energized, and no longer craved sugar mid-morning. Her afternoon slump vanished, and she had energy for her kids after work. A tiny, consistent ritual transformed her mornings and her life. She went from feeling powerless to being in control. That's the ripple effect of a simple start. The world's most successful people fiercely protect their morning routines. They know how you start your day shapes everything that follows. Their routines are simple, grounding, and support well-being before the world's demands begin. They don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems and habits. A morning routine automates positive behaviors, reducing decision fatigue. The reset ritual is a potent, simplified version of what high achievers do. Hydration, light, and protein fuel consistent performance. When your physical foundation is solid, your mental and emotional resilience soars. You don't need to be a CEO or athlete. Your life requires high performance too. A simple morning routine is a strategic necessity for your energy, health, and happiness. You deserve to start your day feeling powerful and prepared. You are the CEO of your own health. You have the authority to set the strategy and steer your life. Your body isn't your enemy. It's your company, waiting for clear, compassionate leadership. The 15-minute reset ritual is your first executive decision. It's not a quick fix, but a foundation for lasting change. Hydration, light, and blood sugar are your core operations. With this base, everything else becomes easier. More energy, better mood, fewer cravings. This ritual builds momentum and confidence. Start tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make these 15 minutes non-negotiable. It's your first step to reclaiming vitality, joy, and power. Thank you for investing in yourself. The energized, balanced woman you want to be is waiting on the other side.